up? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Ara and this is my channel. And also guys, I just want to share with you all that I'm also on Facebook, I'm also on TikTok, and I'm also on Instagram. So aside from YouTube guys, I hope to also see you on different social media platforms. I know that this video is really one of the videos that you personally love, and I know that this video excites you all because I know that here in my channel, Kojie Sun Soap is very much popular. And I know that you guys know that I personally use Kojie Sun Soap in my shower, on my everyday shower routine. You guys already know that if you are an OG here in my channel. And anyway, if you guys still haven't seen my two Kojies, I think it's already three Kojie Sun related videos. Don't worry guys, because link is on the description box down below. This video guys, as you can see on the title below, this video is another Kojie Sun Skin Lightening Soap Frequently Asked Questions Part 2. So anyway guys, if you still have a lot of questions that I still haven't answered, just comment it down below and I would gladly do a part 3 of this video. And I hope that this video will make you guys happy. Let's start answering your questions. First frequently asked question is, what will happen if I stop using the Kojie Sun Soap? Personally, I have also stopped using Kojie Sun Soap because I already kind of felt like I was already light enough in my preference. I felt that I was already okay with the skin tone that I already have now. When you stop using the Kojie Sun Soap, nothing will just happen. You will just stay on the skin tone that you are in right now. You will not go darker or you will not go lighter. It will, at the end of the day, it will still depend on the sun exposure that you are having. Like for example, when you stop using the Kojie Sun Soap and then you would go on beach, you were under direct sunlight for too long, and then you stopped using Kojie Sun Soap, then eventually you will go darker. Question number 2. Can I combine this soap with other soaps? Definitely guys, because personally I combine Kojie Sun Soap with Safeguard because I think Kojie Sun Soap is not really for cleaning your body, it's more on lightening, or that's why I combine it with Safeguard. So yeah, it's really okay, especially guys that Kojie Sun Soap is really skin drying, so that's why I opted to find another soap that will make my skin moisturizing, less drying. So yes, definitely you can combine, like for example, you can use Kojie Sun Soap first and then you can use another soap after you rinse it. So that's definitely fine. Number 3 guys, how long should I use this soap? You will use this soap depending on your preference, on your skin tone. Like for example, when you want to continue using it, obviously the soap will still do its job, will still lighten your skin tone. So it will still depend on how light you would want to be, because if you will continue using it, then the soap will continue doing its job. So that's just how long you're gonna use it. So I hope I answered that question. So question number 4. Will I go back to my darker shade if I stop using it? The answer to this question guys is it will still depend on your sun exposure. Like for example, when you stop using it and then you will be exposed on direct sunlight too much, then I think that you will really go back to your darker shade. As what I've mentioned earlier, if you stop using it, nothing will happen. You will not go darker if and only if you will not be hit on direct sunlight. So I think it's clear enough. Alright, so now we are down to question number 5. Will this soap also lighten my acne, scars, and dark spots? I think I have already mentioned this on my previous Kojie Sun related videos. Yes, definitely. Personally, this soap has really lightened talaga my dark spots, my acne, discoloration. This soap is not sponsored, but I just want to say that this soap really worked like wonders, guys. It did not only give me like the skin tone preference that I would want to be in, it has also lightened my acne scars. When I was in high school, I really had a lot of acne, I really had a lot of dark spots, even come college. But when I start religiously or continuously used Kojie Sun soap on my face and on the scars that I used to have before, it has really lightened. Next question is the tingling sensation normal? Yes, it is really normal. So personally, I do not really remember the tingling sensation of the Kojie Sun soap, just because I think that I am already used to using the soap. So if you are a newbie, if you just used Kojie Sun soap, I think that there will really be a tingling sensation, because then again, Kojie Sun soap is very parang matapang. It's very acidic. It really do its job to whiten your skin. So that's the reason why it has this parang tingling sensation to your body or to your face. So now that we're in question number 7, will my skin become dry if I start using this soap? Yes, definitely your skin will really become dry if you use Kojie Sun soap, because that's why I mentioned on my Kojie Sun Dream White soap and Kojie Sun Classic one, there's really a difference, because the Kojie Sun Dream White is also very moisturizing, while this Classic one whitens faster, but it is really skin drying. But when you use Kojie Sun Classic one, it is really important talaga, guys, for you to use a lotion that's very moisturizing. And also, same as what I'm doing, I also use a moisturizer para it's really moisturizing. So that's how drying the Kojie Sun soap is. Question number 8. Am I not allowed to be hit on direct sunlight if I start using this soap? And personally, I do not recommend you guys to be hit on direct sunlight for too long. You are still allowed to be hit on direct sunlight. You are still allowed to go to the beach, but make sure to not be too exposed on sunlight for too long. There's really a huge possibility that your skin will be burnt. For the question, yes, you can still have fun, you can still go to the beach, because personally, even if I use Kojie Sun soap, I would still go to the beach and hang out with my friends, with my family. But I just make sure to use sunblock with a high SPF. Next question, on what areas should I apply this soap? To answer this question, I would just want to share with you all the areas that I apply Kojie Sun soap. So the areas that I apply Kojie Sun soap is my face and my whole body, except for my private part, except for down there. And of course my butt, because of course I use a different soap for that part. So yes, personally kasi I would want to whiten or lighten my face and also my body, because I know that there are also a lot of you guys that you would just want to lighten a part of your body. So that's why you only apply to those areas. Next question, last but not the least, how do we know if the Kojie Sun soap I am using right now is fake or real? So to answer this question, guys, it's very simple, chart. Stay tuned on my vlog, because I will answer it on another vlog. So make sure to still stay tuned on my channel. Alright guys, so I think that's the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope I made you guys happy in this video. I hope I was able to answer, because I know that these kind of videos would make you happy. Know that I read all of your questions. Know that I put to heart all of your comments, all of your suggestions on how you guys would be happy in my channel. So because that's what matters naman. You are my audience. My videos are all for you. That's why I am doing this. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also turn on that notification bell down below. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys, and love you!